Hello everyone, this is Tyler here from Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2025 Dodge Durango GT. This one's an all-wheel drive. Color on this is Vapor Gray. It's got black interior with black cloth bucket seats, and it comes with a shift insert as well. The engine on this Durango is a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine with start and stop. And it comes with an 8-speed TORQUEFLITE automatic transmission. The headlights on here, they're LED low and high beam headlamps. Comes with park view, rear backup camera, park sense rear park assist system with stop, and it's got the blind spot and cross path detection. So when you're like parked in between two vehicles, and then you can't see where you're coming out, it'll give you a little notification if somebody's coming this way. Also comes with a backup camera, which is right here. And then it's an automatic lift gate on your key. I put the key in there, but if you just hit this once, it'll pop open. Excuse me. Got the GT badging on there. And then to close this up, you just hit this again. All right, let's hop inside and see what all the features are in here. We're on the passenger side here. You got your nice red stitching here with like some leather. Got your storage, your door locks, and then the one-touch auto windows. Got your seats here. And you got your glove compartment. You got all your necessary information. You got your warranty information, your owner's manual, stuff like that. Let me pull this back a bit. Got a little storage right here, and then you got your seat to move it forward and back. Pull this forward so I can show you the back seat here. This one has a third row in the back. So you got your more storage down here. You got your windows. You got more of the stitching on there. You got a little net on the back so you can keep your maps and stuff down there. You got your climate direction, and you can put it on your feet or the face. You got your nice seating here. It comes with the cup holder as well. And then you pop this. You pull this little lever. It'll pop your headrest forward. And then you pull it up again. And you'll be able to hop in the back here. I'll just hop in the back real quick and I can show you how it fits. I'm a 6'2" guy, and I fit pretty decent back there. But I find it's mainly more for smaller children. You got children, I'll hop in the back and I'll show you it here. We're in the back here now. See, a little tight for me, but I still fit. I just want to show you it's got the lights, the directional air. Then you got the extra row up there with your climate control on the top. And then to get out, you just hit this red lever again and lift it up. And you're able to get out. Let's go to the back here. I'll show you something back here. Got your storage in here. You got your lift gate up and down. You got a 12-volt DC charger here. And to pull these seats down, you just pull this, and I'll pull your headrest down. Pull it again, push it forward. Same thing goes for this. You got a lot of room. And then I'll be right back. I'll go pop this down and show you how much room is in here. Yeah, now that I'm back here, I'll show you that there's a lot of room here. I don't know if you'll be able to fit a bigger air mattress if you went camping, so you can plug it in there and it'll be able to pump it up for you. But you'll be able to fit, I want to say, a single air mattress in here. And then that'll be nice. Put a couple pillows there, it'll even it out and it'll be good for you. Alright, I'll pull these up. And then it's pretty easy to pull these up. You just pull this and then put your headrest up. Pop this thing down. And you got your door panel here. You got more storage. You got your window control. And lift the seat up here. Lift your headrest up. And hold on, let me pop this up here. You got a decent amount of room back here. And then you got more storage for you. Put some maps in there. And then go to the driver's side. This one comes with the proximity keyless entry. You just hit this button when your key's outside and then you'll be able to open it. And then when you have your key on you and leave it running or something in the winter, you pop this button and it'll lock it for you. You got more storage. Got your power locks, window locks, power windows. Got your controls for your mirrors. Then you got your lights and everything. Nice accent stitching all the way across the dash here. It goes all the way over there. And then let me show you on this. Got your lumbar control, your power seats on the driver's side. All right, let's hop in and I'll show you what else is in here. Now that we're in the driver's seat, you got your cruise control and everything like that. You can toggle through your screen. You can answer your phone, connect your phone so it has voice control. I'll toggle through all these things and show you. You got your screen set up so you can customize everything on your screen up here. You can change that, that. And you got your stored messages. So if you have your phone connected, you'll be able to read your messages for you if you merge your contacts into it. And you got whatever channel you're listening to, it'll show you, and it's also equipped with AM, FM radio. And then you got a trailer brake right there, and that trailer brake control is right here, right next to the start button. And then that's the gain. So if you're pulling a trailer, you'll be able to squeeze it together, and it'll tell you how much brake pressure you need. That'll need to be recalibrated every so many kilometers. And you got your auto start and stop, and that's equipped with that as well, and that is right here. Turn that off, you turn it right there. And what that does is when you're in the city and you're at the stoplights and you're going stop and go constantly, it'll shut off your vehicle if you're at a stoplight for so long. But you have to have your seatbelt buckled up for that to work. It'll save you fuel. You got your trip, your fuel economy, and then your vehicle information. Got your coolant temp, transmission temperature, oil temperature, your oil pressure, your oil life reset, and then your battery voltage, and it goes back. And then if you wanted to switch it to miles per hour, you're going for a trip to the States or something, you don't want to have to rely on just kilometers. You just hold down OK, pop it once, then it's in miles. And then you can also change that to analog, and then change it back to kilometers, sorry, because we're in Canada. And this one also comes with the paddle shifters on here. You can also change it on here, and you put it, and you pull it down, slap it over into manual. Then to go up a gear, you pull this, go down a gear, you push that, pop it back into regular park. And you also got your sport mode here. Turn your sport mode on. You want to go for a race or something, I don't recommend it, but you got the sport mode. And then when your sport mode is on, it automatically turns your eco off. Then you got your traction controls, your park assist, and then you got all your cup holders, some storage, got USB-C plug-in ports, your USB ports, and then your auxiliary inputs. And you also got your nice armrest with the nice red stitching as well. And then you got that little storage here if you want to keep your phone away. Pop that up again. And then you got even more right here. Also comes with a 12-volt DC charger plug-in port down here. It's right. Let me show you. It's down there. And let me show you a little bit about this up here. You got your heated steering wheel. You got your heated seats. If you're driving down the road and it's the middle of the night and then the screen's a little too bright for you, you just tap that button and turn your screen right off. And to turn it back on, you just tap it and it's good to go. And these are fully customizable. You can move them around, customize it to your needs. Press home. It comes with the navigation on here. And you got your radio station, but you can fully customize that to where you want it to be. You got your media, and it's got AM, FM. You can connect your phone, or it'll read the USB ports down there. You got your comfort, turn your climate. It's a little chilly. Got your defrosting window in the back, and then that'll also turn these on. Your mirrors, if they're frosted up in the winter. Got your blind spot detection, that little triangle there that'll illuminate if somebody's coming at you from the rear, and they're in your blind spot. Just in case you're trying to switch lanes and you're bad for shoulder checking, that'll help you out. Got your navigation. You definitely won't get lost with this new navigation system. And then your phone. And then this will automatically fold the third row's headrests. Press that button back there. And then you also got the rear view camera, and it turns on when you're reversing as well. Got a lot of apps on this. You got your USB ports, your media, Sirius XM. Got your Bluetooth, device manager, FM radio, your auxiliary cable. And you can go through your comfort, your media, your navigation. This is all the settings. Your phone, and then your vehicle system and other. Comes with the SOS and the assist. So if you get in an accident and then you can't, sorry, focus on that there. You get in an accident and then you're incapacitated, you can't drive, or you can't get to your phone, it'll automatically dispatch emergency services to your location. And then the assist button is for roadside assistance. Yeah, it's a lot of cool stuff in here. It comes with the universal garage door opener, and then you push this button, then your hatch will open. And then to push it, make it go down, you push it again. And you got your light controls. And you also got a little cool place for sunglasses. I usually store my receipts in there though, but that's just me. Alright everyone, if you like this vehicle, come by Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, and hopefully we can work out a deal for you. Alright everyone, have a good day.